A lot of people ask me, when was the washing machine invented?
Most people take their washing machine for granted.
It's less than 2 feet wide.
Smaller and semi-automatic.
And it rolls on casters.
Except for the occasional outburst of hatred when the thing goes wrong.
Well, actually, you can't answer that. I'm Lee Maxwell, retired professor of electrical engineering. I collect and display old and unusual washing machines and their history. I have, over the years, since 1985, collected a total of 1,400 antique washing machines, plus some other stuff, and started a museum, which, by the way, is the only one in the world. And this is my library, or half of it. The other half's in the house. And in here I got a few washing machines that I've cleaned up. We got a few more in here. I have no idea, there's no hidden reason why I should have become interested in washing machines. But once I did, I found almost immediately there was no one else doing it. If you think about it, of the things in your home that you would not like to do without, like the bathroom, the running water, the washing machine is a thing that most people would not like to do without. It's become an integral part of our life, and quite frankly, one that we don't think about the history. And what I've developed, what I've tried to do here is to show the history of how we got from washing clothes with our hands to where we are today. And that's my purpose in this. And I'd like to keep it going. You see, it's quite easy to see a person interested in old trains and old cars and guns. But who in his right mind would be interested in a washing machine? That's where I've failed, see. But I just like to keep it. At my age, I fully realize I can't take it with me, but I'd like to feel that it would be safe somehow for posterity.
Are you worried?
Worried? No, I'm quite happy.